The 3-in-1 combined bottle rinsing, bottle filling, and capping machine is a specialized equipment designed for the filling process of bottled water. It integrates 3 key functions into one machine, namely bottle rinsing, filling, and capping. This machine is constructed with high-quality materials to guarantee durability and dependability. Its precise filling system enables accurate measurement and filling of water into bottles without any spills or leaks. The filling process is automated, ensuring high efficiency and consistent quality. It can handle a broad range of bottle sizes and shapes, exhibiting high versatility. In addition to filling, the machine also performs the capping function to ensure a tight and secure fit, preventing any contamination or leakage. The bottle rinsing component ensures that the bottles are thoroughly cleaned before filling. This machine is straightforward to operate and maintain, featuring user-friendly controls and simple adjustments. It is designed to meet the highest standards of hygiene and safety, guaranteeing that the filled bottles are of optimal quality. Overall, the 3-in-1 combined bottle rinsing, filling, and capping machine is a crucial piece of equipment for the bottled water industry, offering an efficient and dependable solution for the filling process.